So I just found the most perfect thing that you can get that's super affordable that will elevate up your save the dates and your invitations. It's this little magical thing called an embosser. I got mine from Zazzle because that's literally where I get all my wedding stationery and all little stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you what it does. You've probably heard of it before, maybe you haven't, but I'm just gonna show you. So this is like our back flap of the invitation or our envelope. So all you're gonna do is you just slide this through. It's probably not even, but we'll check that after. And then all you do is push it down, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like on the envelope. Super cool, little touch, but I just love it. So it's super affordable. Like I said, I got it from Zazzle, and you can kind of make your own and customize it. You can put like your names and your address as like a return thing. We're probably moving within the next year, so I didn't want to get one with our address yet. So you could do your initials, you could do your names like this, and they have it in all different like fonts and styles, which is super cool. But you can literally kind of do it on any sort of paper or anything like that. But just a cool way to kind of add to your envelopes for your save the dates or invitations. So I recommend you getting one because I love it and it's adorable.